Before I discuss measurements, I should first convince people that measurements are useful. After all, why not just play things completely by ear? To help me explain this, I will be relying on the wisdom of Northwest audio and video guy, a completely anonymous but highly respected figure who claims to be an electrical engineer and who has designed and built custom home theaters and worked in the industry. On his blog, he also showcases significant wherewithal about audio and electrical engineering, going so far as to design his own open source amplifier, which I personally have built. Northwest Audio and Video Guy highlights the polar perspectives that pervade the audiophile community: subjectivists and objectivists, those who understand and obsess over statistics and measurements, and those who care only about subjective reviews and are incredibly prone to the power of suggestion or spending inordinate amounts of money on snake oil. He explains that while it is true that some people have better trained ears than others, that some degree of objective standards must be met and demonstrated. N-wave guy. So yes, we should certainly make sure the end result is pleasing to our ears. We should also use measurements to quantify performance. In order to measure headphones, we first must know what they are and how they work. Headphones are a type of electroacoustic transducer. A transducer is a device that converts one type of energy into another. Electroacoustic means that electrical energy is being converted into acoustic energy. The electrical energy in this case is the signal that carries the waveform of the audio being listened to. The acoustic energy is the actual sound being produced by the speaker of the headphones. This can be accomplished by several means, but the most common is with the use of a dynamic driver. A dynamic driver consists of a magnet, a coil of electrical wire, and a diaphragm. By varying the current passed through the coil, it interacts with the magnet's field to produce a varying magnetic field that in turn vibrates the diaphragm accordingly. The vibration of the diaphragm causes oscillations in air pressure that can be detected by the human ear. This is also known as sound. While there are other types of drivers, their measurements are largely the same since they have the same end goal, most accurately converting the electrical signal of the audio into sound. Higher impedance headphones tend to have higher quality. Size of the driver is usually not important, such as a 6.5mm driver should perform about as well as a 45mm driver. Finally, while we can't hear frequencies above 20,000 Hz or below 20 Hz, headphones that can produce frequencies in these regions have better general performance. Headphones come in various forms, but the most common are on-ear headphones that sit upon the ear, over-ear headphones that encompass the ear, and inner-ear monitors or earbuds which rest inside the ear canal.